This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain.
Alright, so this is where we're at. I got these two little guys cut out, which is basically 1 and 2. And then all I gotta do next is just get some primer it up, repaint that little section, and that's pretty much it for here. The transmission should now clear, but I still need to do some trimming on the actual bell housing. So I don't have the tool to actually trim it. So I'm just gonna set it up, set up the jig, set up that, and then start taking off the flywheel and stuff over here so we can get one step closer. So little by little, we'll get this thing in here. So I'm gonna run to the parts store real quick, get some primer that up, and then jump on the transmission over there. Alright, so this is where we're at, right here under the car. I got the clutch and pressure plate out. I couldn't get the flywheel out because my impact gun is dead. I forgot to charge it, so I need to charge that, and then I can get that out. I try to do it by hand, but it just keeps spinning. It's really in an awkward spot. I don't have the tool to hold the flywheel in place, but yeah. So these guys over here, they're off, they cleaned up. And we primered the section, both sides, so the transmission should have no problem fitting here now. And yeah, so let me show you over here with the transmission what I did there. Alright, so on this side we got the adapter plate onto the transmission. Everything fit well. I used all the hardware because if I didn't, I'd probably forget it somewhere and lose it. So you know, just being there, it doesn't get lost. But anyways, this guy's on here, looks great. I also installed the little jig, as you can see. So this is where the starter is gonna go. So you gotta trim this guy down because the starter little gear is gonna kick in here and spin. So the little jig shows you where it's supposed to go, and I'm assuming this guy is to see how deep you have to go in there. So just keep grinding down here until you get to this depth. This is really nice actually. I really like this. Great little piece. But yeah, so that's that. Right now I think that's all I can do. I gotta charge my impact to take the flywheel off. I gotta buy a tool for this. Also gotta buy or rent a little tool to take out the pilot bushing, because this one uses a little different one with a little an offset bushing or something like that. Whatever, so that one's got to go. I don't have the tool for it, so I'm gonna either buy a tool or rent one or borrow one, something for that. Something to drill this guy out and then charge my impact so I can keep moving along. I wanted to weigh both flywheels. I think the stock flywheel is heavier than this one, even though this one's bigger. It's hollow on the inside, but I still think this one's lighter. So we'll see about that. But anyways, that's another quick update. For now, get the other stuff going and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.